Hey guys, people keep asking me for 12 Wings updates. I'm here and I don't see a whole lot of difference other than that there's several dumpsters out front. Looks like they're ripping up carpeting. Down there. Oh, good. They're ripping some of the drywall up. You can kind of see through there. So what it seems like is that they're trying to gut it to the rafters and not to the foundation, which is what I had hoped. You can see in front here, everything's still intact upstairs. You can see the ceilings through the windows, and then the excavators have been digging up the parking lots. So I'm not going to bother going inside. It looks like they're starting to tear down walls inside, but they're leaving the foundation intact. So well, let's just see if we can get a little closer over here. I'm not going to get out of the car and all the snow and all of that, but let's see. I see HVAC ducts there, so it looks like they tore down a wall there. Oh yeah, well, there's the chandelier still up there. So I see some of it is exposed to the rafters and some of it is not. Looks like they just kind of started. And I'm a little curious as to why they're saving so much. Like, we know they're not going to keep any of the old stuff, so why would you just rip down anything? Why would you be careful about keeping this drywall and not that drywall when you're not going to keep any of the drywall? But, I don't know. I'm sure it's going very slowly because of the pandemic. So hopefully that answers any updated questions. Oh, there's a water bottle still up there. So yeah, they haven't done a whole lot there. Okay. There's the old McGraw Edison lights there. That's the update. Thanks for watching.